How to delete Telegram bot permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Telegram bot permanently. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, just launch Telegram app on your device. After that, make sure to log into your account. Now search for the bot that you want to delete. So I'll having this one, so you have to simply open it, and from this message box, tap on it and type in /start. Now tap on the arrow next to it, and after that, a message reply appears on this bot. Then you have to again type in /mybots, and then tap the arrow next to it again. And here you can see the message, you have currently no bots. If you don't get this section or message, simply select the three dots at top right corner and tap delete and block button. And then tap on delete chat, which will block this bot as well. And then it will permanently delete this Telegram bot. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.